obviously that test drive didn't go totally.
That wasn't fun. It goes into every gear, but it's extremely noisy in second and third. And we just had this rebuilt, so I'm gonna give Justin a call. Be like, hey, well, we'll just show him the video when we see him, because we're gonna see him later today.
Okay.
So we'll show him the video. So I'm gonna let Tim know what we got going. But also, I just went to start it, and now, mind you,
Okay.
Every gear goes in. Reverse, first, second, third. Everything goes in, right? Second, first, reverse. Okay, we are in absolute neutral. Okay? Foot's on the brake pedal, clutch is out. I'm gonna try to start the truck.
Like it's in reverse.
It is, watch.
How about try putting it in reverse and going forward now?
There's first, right?
Yeah.
There's supposed neutral. It's in, I have the clutch in and the brakes off. It's gonna roll back to the floor slanted. I have the parking brake on now, so it's not rolling.
Yep.
I'm gonna let out the clutch.
But it's in neutral.
It's still kissing reverse in neutral. So maybe we need to adjust. Let me try that too. Where absolute neutral is? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It could still be sticking up in reverse. Okay, so I'm at first, so I move forward. Absolute neutral. Hold the parking brake on so it doesn't roll down the street. So it's sticking in reverse at neutral.
Yeah, maybe just thinking maybe it's just sticking in reverse, and that's why in second gear.
It's grinding?
Yeah.
Because it's kissing reverse.
That's.
So we need to probably, let's see if we can adjust that out.
Okay. Go back to you guys.
All right, I've adjusted. It's hard to see. Both of our linkages, so neutral is now lower, closer to first, or basically loaded more towards first. So let's see what we got. All right. This is definitely internal to the trans at this point, because we have shifted everywhere there is to shift, adjusted everywhere there is to adjust on the linkages. And it goes into gear. It was better before, obviously, but we can bring it back. But it went into every gear prior. So, as you guys all saw. So, I'm going to get a hold of Justin. And we're going to have a little convo, pick his brain. Because we're going to see him later today. So, alright. I'm going back over to the 69 Cougar with Burnsy, and I probably pull the master cylinder out of the yellow truck today too.